I'm sure by now most of you have heard of what these tariffs are, and many of these countries are coming back to negotiate with the US, but the biggest one we're looking at is China. But didn't the tariffs get paused for 90 days? Well, yes and no. There's negotiations that are currently going on, and Trump is really trying to get an agreement. Meanwhile, the market has been a legit roller coaster going up and down. Hello Compass Cartel, and welcome back to another episode of the Crypto Compass, your guide to everything crypto. I'm staying busy as usual, but I want to make time to give you these videos. And by you, I mean the Compass Cartel, my loyal subscribers. We are going to unpack a lot on the tariffs and just the general economy in this video. Okay, to get started, we have seen violent swings in the market just this past week. Starting with the stock market, we had big drops that we haven't seen in years. Some declines even set records, and this was all due to the fear of tariffs raising up price and increasing inflation. And right after that, Trump decided to come out and say we have a 90-day pause on these current tariffs. But it's not just that. Before announcing that, they rumored that they would have a pause, but then they completely rejected it. And then they came out a few days later saying that they were gonna do a pause. I don't know, to me it seems like a lot of market manipulation going on over here. Trump must have bought some put options earlier in the week and then bought some calls before making the announcement. Either way, there's lots of money to be making in the market, and not just stocks, crypto as well. Now, we haven't seen ridiculous gains in these smaller cap coins or even meme coins that are coming out, but the majors are still consolidating, and Bitcoin specifically has been in a recent uptrend. This is always good news and something good to look at, but it may just be a short-term relief bounce. To be honest, until these tariffs get resolved and we have less uncertainty, the market is going to continue to swing. But another good thing is that the lower the prices go, the more you can DCA into your long-term assets. So if you're looking to get some long-term Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Link, now may be a great time to do so. And of course, I'm not giving you financial advice. I'm just trying to set you up for success. And if you're just sitting there confused and you don't know what assets to buy or even how to buy them, then go ahead and reach out to me and follow the link in the description below so that you can join my coaching program. I would love to sit down with you one-on-one and help you through everything that you need to know crypto related. Another thing to highlight is that a lot of people are calling for a market top and claiming that we have already hit a bear market. Now, I covered this in my other video, but I want you to know that we could be in a temporary bear market, but that doesn't mean that the bull run is over. What it really means is that we could have a few more months of sideways consolidation or even lower prices before eventually taking out the all-time highs that we made earlier in the year. And to be honest, this cycle has been very different. It's been very slow at points and fast for a shorter period of time. And the goal is always to capture those moments and capitalize as much as you can, because that's when you'll find coins that will do 1000x. So if you put $1,000 in, you could net $1 million if you sell at the right time. And as we're in this downtrend, don't forget that when we hit euphoria, you must take profit. Of course, you have your own strategy, and if you're thinking long term, then go ahead and hold it. But if you're just trading coins, and especially meme coins, you have to sell near the top. And I get it, no one's gonna time the top, but wouldn't you rather take a 2x compared to waiting for a coin to go up 3x to 4x and then eventually dropping down 90%? If you're a trader, DCA is your best friend in finding an entry, and DCA is also your best friend in exit points. You have to de-risk that capital and continue selling in chunks on the way up, and also when you're buying on the way down. I'm almost certain that you can expect more volatility going forward as these tariffs continue to unfold. So whether you are trading stocks or crypto, just keep that in mind. And let's make the most of the opportunity that we have in front of our eyes. I still believe that we are in the year of the golden bull run, and maybe after the summer, things will finally turn around. But until then, stay safe, stay vigilant, and stay with the Compass Cartel. And let's not forget that I'm dropping videos like this every single week. And I know I've been bad about it last week, but I'm getting back to my routine. So if you like what you're seeing, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit that bell button so you don't miss another one of my videos. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.